Yes, student. Today we are doing quadratic equation. So here we are taking word problem of exercise 4.2. Question number 9 we are taking two water taps together can fill a tank in 9, 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. To fill the tank separately, find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Let us do the solution. First, let's suppose the time taken by tap with smaller diameter is equal to x hour. Then the time taken by tap with larger diameter will be equal to x minus 10 hour. As it is given, larger diameter takes 10 hour less than the smaller one. Now part of tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour is equal to, we have to take the reciprocal, it will be equal to 1 upon x. The same way part of tank filled by larger tap in 1 hour is equal to 1 divided by x minus 10. Together they fill the tank in 9, 3 by 8 hours. If we convert it into a fraction, it will give 75 divided by 8 hours. So this is the time. Now part of tank filled by them in 1 hour is equal to, we have to take the reciprocal as we did in the separate one, 8 divided by 75. Now take their separate part filled by smaller tap is 1 upon x plus part filled by the larger tap is 1 divided by x minus 10 equal to 8 divided by 75. Now taking the LCM on the left hand side, we get x minus 10 plus x divided by x square minus 10x, and equal to, on the right hand side we have to write the same number which we have, that is 8 divided by 75. When we're going to simplify it, taking cross multiplying and taking all the term to one side, we will get the quadratic equation 4x square minus 115x minus 375 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Solving this, we can find the required. Thank you.